Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and welcome to another video in the Titan Flows Titan Academy tutorial. Today we will be installing the Titan package in Salesforce, and this will allow our Titan Flows to be fully optimized by using Salesforce systems and processes within our flow projects. So to enable the package in Salesforce, you will start by going into Setup, and then search for the App Exchange. Yep, App Exchange Marketplace. Perfect. And then you can search for Form Titan. It will be this first one right here. You can click on More. And then this will be where you click Get It Now. All right, you can log in, click Allow. And now you can say that you want to install this for this org, whether it's production or sandbox. So I'm going to click here. And this is where we need to fill in some information. Okay, and then just agree to the terms and conditions, and you can click Install. Now you can choose whether you want this app to be installed for all users, for specific users, or only for admins. I would suggest just installing it for all users, and then you can set up permissions and set up your collaborators later on. But let's just go ahead and install for all users. And this might take a moment, but you'll be emailed once the installation is complete. Downloading this package will allow you to generate documents from Salesforce and Titan, and it will also allow you to do many other things using the Titan platform. Thank you for watching this video, and we will continue to build out our flow processes in the next video.